Alright, this is my hydraulic water ram. Try to do this real slow. A lot of you guys, I don't know if you've seen a couple of these on YouTube, they're kind of fast, so I'll try to slow this down a little bit so you can see what the heck's going on here. Alright, mine's out of stainless. I got hard water, so stainless was the best way. Could have went PVC, just stainless, a little bit more durable. The problem with stainless is you're going to spend a lot of money. The stainless alone on this is probably $600. The stuff's expensive once you start jumping up in size. I used a bladder tank instead of a PVC pipe with tube. I have a 2-inch pipe, flexible water line basically. Whatever you use, if you use 1 inch, you're going to have to go out 1/2 inch. I used 2-inch coming in, so I went 1 inch going out. And I have about 250 feet of pipe there, and going up to the garden, there's 200 feet going up. I'll show you that in a second. Alright, on this, 2 brass swing check valves. As you can see, what's coming in there, you could pretty much figure out how you got to build this thing. Real simple. Keep everything as tight as possible from this to your bladder tank here. All that stuff, keep it nice and tight. Obviously from there on out it's really not going to matter, but this whole little setup from here to here should be as tight as you can get it. Anyways, on this swing check valve here, you can use a clip valve. Take this spring, there's a spring that goes right here. You can remove that spring, does the same thing. You can play with the weight, you can put washers in there and stuff. I found it doesn't really make a difference on my setup. But I did find out one thing on this swing check valve here. If you have any problems with it and it's not pumping water, if it's not cycling, you're going to want to, you'll see that if you turn it that way, it won't cycle. And it's got something to do with the swing check. Now it's cycling on me. Let me turn it a little bit more. See, it won't cycle. So if it's not cycling, that swing check valve is going to have to be so it swings up like that. And they're all the same. So if you got this end facing towards your tank, you'll be all right. Okay, so we got 2-inch. There's a ball valve, nipple, 2-inch still, 2-inch T, short nipple, brass, swing check, short nipple, swing check, short nipple again, stainless. Again, doesn't have to be stainless. And then it reduces down to 1 inch. 1 inch out. And if you see my pressure gauge there, a lot of them will stay at their, you watch a lot of these, they'll stay at their pressure. I don't know why mine fluctuates like that, but a lot of them are staying at 20. I'm jumping about 28 PSI. It all varies, I guess. This goes up to my garden. There's 200 feet, and I get about 55 gallons an hour. But I got it buried just due to the sun beating on that pipe, just to keep it down, to keep the temperature cool. Obviously to mow over it. I'll show you where that's coming out. This is just a hobby, I guess. As you can see, I have a sprinkler set up on these posts to a water pump, because my garden's not going to be this big this year. It's just basically tomato plants and cucumbers and strawberries. But anyways, it comes into this tub, and it doesn't look like it's coming out a lot, but it is. It's 55 gallons a minute, or an hour, sorry. And with the other valve, it was about 42, I believe it was 42 gallons an hour. That brass check valve, that wasn't nowhere near as much. Okay, I'll take you up to the dam. We'll show you what's going on up there. And another issue, damn geese, crap everywhere. This one here's only got 3 chicks for some reason. I'm assuming the coyotes got them. Got 2 more over there. Sometimes could be 100 here in this pond. Anyways, back to the water ram. As you can see, it's going in through that pipe. When I built the dam, I should have put a 2-inch pipe through the dam. When I get high water, that may stuff the hose right out the dam. because it does cycle the pump, does cycle the hose. When it cycles, you'll see the pipe dirt. So you're gonna want this one here. I got it tied to a brick. You're not gonna be able to see it. It's too dark in this. But the head of it's right down there. So inlet 2-inch out. Just from the dam down to the pump, it's about, the dam alone is about 6-foot drop in the pipe down. There's probably another 2-foot drop. So I got 8-foot drop, and without using a transit, I'm not sure what the height of that outlet is. But you could raise that pipe up pretty high and it's still going to keep pumping. One real last check of this pump before I turn this off. Hope you can see all that. 2-inch, and then your outlet. Alright, thank you.